Hello everybody, I'm Avery with a quick YouTube update. Kind of unfortunate one, but you know, kind of is what it is. And that being that they have gotten rid of desktop mode. YouTube desktop mode is officially no more from what I've seen, because they didn't make an actual announcement about it. They just kind of got rid of it and didn't say anything. But if you never use desktop mode, essentially what desktop mode is, it makes YouTube on your phone looks more like it would on a computer. And you know, a lot of people like that, but now, like I said, they got rid of it. So kind of sucks. Personally, I like desktop mode because I usually used it to get access to YouTube Studio on my phone. Now, of course, they got YouTube Studio on the app, but that app doesn't have the full features that YouTube Studio does on a computer. But fortunately, they didn't get rid of YouTube Studio. You just have to type in the URL to get to YouTube Studio. So at least that is still there. I guess I can understand them getting rid of desktop mode if they're trying to get more people to stay on the app versus trying to find YouTube on a browser. But if that was the sense, then you still could have just left desktop mode on the app as well. But who knows why they decided to get rid of it, right? So instead, let me know in the comments what you use desktop mode for the most. And with all that being said, hopefully the video was useful to you. And if it was, why don't you go ahead, like, subscribe, share with a friend, click the bell notification so you can notify new videos come out from me. Check out some of my other videos because I do YouTube tutorials, YouTube tips, and other YouTube news like this. Thanks for watching.